Good day, bearded adventurers. I'm the wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story, and today we're talking about why even use beard oil at all.
May your beards be forever blessed, and treasure forever upon your door.
Welcome back to another video. My name is the wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story. If you're looking for bearded tips, tricks, storytelling, and adventure, look no further. Hit that subscribe button right now, as well as liking the video and leaving a comment down in the comment section below, because we love engaging with each and every one of you. And today we're talking about beard oil and why you even really need to be using it at all. And trust me, I get it. We have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of comments every single month on our Facebook ads and Facebook groups and just all over social media in general. And we get a lot of guys, girls everywhere saying, well, beard oil, what do you need that stuff for? I've been growing a beard for years and I've never used beard oil. That stuff is a bunch of garbage. You're a pansy if you use that kind of stuff in your beard. All, you know, on and on and on and on about the comments. And let me tell you, I get it. When, you know, beard oil is new to the marketplace. We've only been around for like maybe 12 to 15 years tops. And when you're presenting a product like that to the masses, it comes off as strange. People don't get it. People don't understand. But I like to correlate it between using conditioner or not on your hair. Now, if you have a good head of hair and you're not bald like me, you know the difference between washing with just a shampoo and then how your hair feels after using a conditioner. It really does work very well. It makes the hair soft and things of that nature, and it's just overall a better washing experience. And I get that experience in line with beard oil. You may not need to use beard oil. However, once you do, chances are you're not going to stop. Your beard just becomes more comfortable. It becomes easily styled. It smells better. It just becomes overall a more enjoyable experience. And especially when you're a new beardsman, coming into that 4 to 6 week mark of growing a beard, your beard's going to get really itchy. And it's because the beard hairs themselves come out and then kind of start to curl back in on themselves, causing irritation to the skin. And a lot of these times, that's when people hack off the beard. They're like, I can't do it anymore. I'm done. It itches too much. It's just irritating. I don't like it. It's wiry. It's scratchy. Maybe your significant other doesn't like kissing you because it's kind of wiry and scratchy, and they hack off the beard and they're just done with it. But that's where beard oil comes into play. Using 3 to 10 drops a day, even twice a day, can drastically improve the softness of your beard. It can drastically reduce the itchiness, the inflammation, and just make an overall better grooming experience and just having a more comfortable beard. And we all know that more comfortable day just means better happiness for everybody. And we understand it's new, but I encourage you to try it. We have a wonderful buy one, get one free all the time for first-time customers. All you have to do is use code TRY, and you get 2 full bottles for $18.99. And with that, you get about, you know, if you're only using 3 drops a day, that's almost 300 applications just from 2 bottles of beard oil, which is pretty intense for an $18 price tag. So I encourage you to check it out, to try it, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. How long have you been using beard oil for? Were you a skeptic before you started using it? And then once you started using beard oil, you became like a fanatic and now you have a huge giant collection? I promise you, it's something that you're going to want to check out, and it's going to be worth it in the end. Once again, my name is the wizard from Fable Beard Company, where every beard has a story, and I hope I answered your question of why you should be using beard oils at all in the first place. Like I said, leave us a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you had a good time here. And until next time, as always, may your beards be forever blessed and treasure forever upon your door.